I'm here with Alex and Constantine and Tom.
So we're doing a studio here. What we're building is an art studio. So they want to put some drainage in to nothing major, just clean their paintbrushes. It's wonderful, the art, what they do. I'm looking forward to coming back here because it's quite local. And they're going to have an art studio where they can paint beautiful views.
And they have this view across the fields, which is stunning.
So they wanted some drainage in. The drainage isn't, it's not going to be foul. It's just going to be what we call grey water. It's just water coming out of the sink. So Tom's tapped into, I've got cesspit over here.
Oh, okay, right.
See you there. So Tom came this morning and just finishing off. So they've put these sheets down, dug the trench, and I know it's hard to believe, but
what are the sheets for?
To stop the soil getting messy, so that they can clear.
All right, because sorry, excuse me. So it doesn't fall into the grass.
Yeah, so when we roll them back up, and this is offcuts that we have at the workshop, we would normally throw away, so they come in very handy. Actually.
Okay,
so
right.
Tom keeps all the waste.
So
they've dug the trench. They've put this pipe in, the 110 pipe, took it through to the cesspit, and then they've backfilled it.
So the sink water will fall down that pipe and end up in the cesspit.
Yeah, and then from there it will be taken away.
Okay.
So if we get Tom in,
he's ran away.
He's ran away. Tom, you ain't got a minute. Tom is my lifesaver. I used to have to get involved in this, and I'm nowhere near as good as he's. The best there is.
Well, you're pretty good.
I'm okay. I'm okay, but not as good as this guy. He saves my life every day.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, and he just knows what he's doing, and it's one thing to be a hard worker. It's years of experience, and he's got it in abundance. Yeah. So, I mean, I imagine this was a relatively simple one for you.
It wasn't too bad, just the stones that was there.
Oh yeah, you pull them out?
Yeah, once we got over that.
Oh, that'd be quite handy, wouldn't they?
So what's that? Oh right, the large stones.
So
digging them out can't be that easy.
So you've done a hand dig here.
We've done a hand dig here, yeah.
Where sometimes it would be, if the trench was a lot further down the garden, they would take off the top course of grass and then use a digger.
Okay.
And dig down with a digger. And of course, you could be cutting through concrete and through tarmac. And Tom knows all the things: tarmac and concrete and block paving, relaying slabs, the whole gamut of building work. You could build a house from top to start to finish.
Yeah.
And so he just knows. And, you know, if you're gonna undertake a project that involves major building works, you want someone like this.
Yeah.
Who knows what he's doing.
This talent and experience.
It is. If somebody was on about the football last night, and they were saying, you know, it's one thing to have the talent, but it's the hard work and the talent together. And it's the two things that make everything perfect.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much. You're like our Haaland, you are.
Am I?
Manchester City player.
Yeah. Manchester City.
Yeah.
What's his name? Erga Haaland.
Yeah.
And Tom does have this strapping lad.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, but we do go out and then often, you know, there might be 4 or 5 or 6 people working on site. And everybody gets along, make it happen.
Yeah.
Trouble is, we got here too late. They make it look easy.
Okay, is that it?
Yep.
Lovely. Thank you.